Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 21 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's go into the settings, scroll down to System, select Advanced, where you'll find Reset options, and in here erase all data, factory reset. Now once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. Now the simple way of describing it basically removes everything. So if there's anything that we'd like to keep, maybe some photos, music maybe, then back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you simply might not want to, click on delete. And then, if you have some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. Delete all data, and the process will now begin. Now this will take about 2 to 5 minutes, something like that. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.